We're the WHAM roving reporters. Today we start the Great Egg Experiment.
Every year around Easter, I color eggs with my family. I noticed that a lot of egg dye kits require vinegar. That got me wondering, what would happen if I left an egg soaking in vinegar for 2 or 3 days instead of just 2 or 3 minutes like I do when I color Easter eggs?
So why don't we all find out together? This will be a great science experiment to give us practice before a science fair on March 29th. We're starting with the question. What will happen to an egg that is left to soak in vinegar for a long time? What happens to an egg when an egg soaks in plain water? First, let's put the egg in the jar. Now we'll pour some water in it. Make sure you pour it about so it covers the egg completely and just a bit more.
First, you put the egg in the jar. Then you pour the vinegar over the egg and a little bit more. Now we need to come up with a hypothesis, or what we think will happen. Let's find out what a few Hamilton Panthers think will happen to our eggs.
What do you think will happen to an egg that's left to soak in vinegar for a long time?
I think it will turn very fuzzy.
What do you think?
I think it might disintegrate or something different. I think it might crack.
I think it might disintegrate.
What do you think will happen when it sits in water for a long time?
It will be the same. I think it will be rotten. It'll be the same.
It'll be the same.
These are some interesting hypotheses. Tomorrow we'll come back to our eggs to make some observations and record some data. Oh, and by the way, you can view our Great Egg Experiment videos on the Hamilton Elementary webpage throughout this week. You can also find tons of great resources for your own science experiments at home.
Stay tuned for more of the Great Egg Experiment. This is your Hamilton Elementary roving reporter signing off until tomorrow.